Now, welcome again to this section 3. Talks about layers and marks simplified. Understanding layer itself sometimes can be tricky, especially for new bees in Photoshop. I mean, the beginners in Photoshop. Think of layers as sheets of glass stacked on top of each other to create or being transparent on each other. Glasses itself is transparent. So you imagine yourself stacking up transparent layers on it. So there's nothing going to be visible at a moment except you add in element just as we did with the brush. So you can either move, edit, or hide layer without affecting the others. How? If we don't move it, if we don't move it like this, if we don't move, sorry, let me go to my V. If we don't move it like this, we can hide this and it won't affect this layer itself except we are trying to add something on this layer. So so for us to get her out from the background is going to be very simple. By selecting on this particular layer using the left key, click on your mouse and you clicking on the layer itself, and then you come down here to layer marks. When you click on layer marks itself, you see the background is all gone. You can see, and then you can use your brush tool. You can use Alt to zoom in, or you can use the Control T and minus to zoom out and zoom in. Zoom in, zoom out. Zoom in, zoom out. So the part that is black and white, this is the layer marks. When you have your brush, set it to default. When you have your brush, when you want everything to be, you can see this is what happens when you select the layer marks and you paint with white. This is what happens. You Control Z to go back. When you use X to toggle in from white to black, you can also remove parts you don't need. Control Z to come back to where we are. So that is how it works itself. Black to get rid, white to paint in. So we are done with this section and we see in section 4.